हाय दिस इज प्रियंका यू आर वाचिंग इट सिंपल। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं क्लास 7th के चैप्टर 4 के बारे में, द एशेस दैट मेड ट्रीज ब्लूम। देयर वाज अ ओल्ड गुड हार्टेड कपल हु लिव्ड ड्यूरिंग द ओल्ड डेज ऑफ डायमियोस, DIAMIOS, इसका मतलब है wealthy landowners in 19th century in Japan. They had a pet dog who they named Muko, and the couple loved him a lot. Muko was kept like a little child by them. In return, the dog was very faithful to them. The old man was a rice farmer and worked from sunrise to sunset in his field. He was always accompanied by Muko to the field. The dog was playing in the field one day. It found a place and started scratching there. The old man found a pile of gold there on digging the ground. Thus, the couple became rich. In the same village, an old wicked man too lived. He too heard about the change in fortune of the couple. The next day, the wicked man coaxed the dog with food, but he was not followed by the dog to his garden. Coaxed का मतलब है persuade किया. उस wicked man ने खाने के साथ उस dog को persuade किया, पर फिर भी वो dog उस wicked man के garden में नहीं गया. वो बहुत ज्यादा वफादार था. कहानी की स्टार्टिंग नहीं था ये, ध्यान से सुनो. इसी बात पे उस wicked man को गुस्सा आ गया और उसने ड्रैग किया उस dog को. Out of fear, the dog ran and then suddenly stopped under a pine tree. The man thought that the dog was standing there to indicate hidden treasure. Out of curiosity and anxiety, he started digging. Unlike the good old couple, he found a dead kitten which was smelling very hard. On seeing the kitten, the man grew very angry and killed the dog. On hearing his dog's death, his owner became very sad and moaned bitterly. The night he went to put flowers and bamboo stick on the tomb of the dog, according to the custom. After coming home, he dreamed about his dead dog. His dog spirit asked him to cut pine tree and make mortar from it for his rice pastry and a mill for his bean sauce. The man followed his dog's advice. Gold coin dropped from his mortar and hand mill. The old good-hearted couple again gained a lot. On hearing about it, the wicked old man also followed the same process. But instead of finding gold coins, he found a full mass of worms. This made the wicked old man angry, and he chopped the mill into pieces and used it as firewood. The dog spirit was seen by the old man in a dream. The spirit asked the man to take the ashes of the mill burned by the wicked old man and sprinkle them on the withered trees. The old man again did what the spirit had said. On doing it, the trees bloomed and the air was filled with a sweet smell. Once the road near the village was to be passed by the daimyos. The old good man climbed up a withered tree. When the daimyos procession passed, he sprinkled the ashes over the tree and the tree blossomed and the air was perfumed. The daimyo was delighted on seeing this. He stopped his procession and decided to reward the old man and also invited him to his castle. The wicked man followed suit. The next time when the daimyos passed, he sprinkled the ashes, but instead of blooming the tree, the ashes flew in the nose and the eyes of daimyo and his wife started sneezing and they began choking. The whole pomp, dignity and splendor of the possession was spoiled. The greedy neighbor was caught by the people and was beaten badly till he died. Thus the wicked greedy man was heavily punished, and on the contrary, the generous old good-hearted man lived with his wife in ease and comfort.